Hey, my YouTube family, welcome back. Welcome back to Tam Tam Kitchen. It's Delish. So, today I am going to be making some pumpkin punch, real authentic Jamaican style slash Caribbean style. Yeah, I'm from Jamaica. So, guys, thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for all my subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed, please do click that subscription button. So, I've got my pumpkin here and all of my ingredients that I'll be putting into my pumpkin punch. So, stay tuned and we're going to make this together. Okay, so guys, this is the pumpkin that we're going to use today. So basically you need to boil your pumpkin first before we can go ahead to make this juice. So cut your pumpkin, peel it and chop it into cubes and put it in some water with a little bit of salt and boil it for about 15 minutes. Pumpkin is quite easy to cook, so 15 minutes it should be fine. And then that's how we're going to make our pumpkin punch. So make sure that you boil your pumpkin. Cook your pumpkin first. Okay, don't use raw pumpkin. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys now how I just whip up my pumpkin punch. So just pour your Guinness in to your blender. 1 Guinness is fine. And if you don't like Guinness taste, you use half of this. So that part is optional. Yeah. And I'm going to pour my nutriments, or you can use supplegen. You know the Jamaican supplegen, you can use that. Or you can use this. So I'm using nutriments. And I am going to put my pumpkin in now. Uh, so just basically put your pumpkin in like so. And I'm going to add my spice. I'm using grounded sweet cinnamon. And I'm using mixed spice. So 1 teaspoon each, guys. And this is nutmeg. I'm going to add that last. I always add my nutmeg last. And now this is some vanilla. So I'm just going to use 1 cover of the lid, or literally 1 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon. Yeah. And put your blender lid on. Turn on my blender, and now I am going to blend. So guys, we're gonna need to use condensed milk or coronation milk. It's up to you, but I would rather you to use condensed milk to sweeten this because the Guinness is very bitter, so you need to sweeten this to make it delish. So guys, now we are going to put our condensed milk in. So just put your condensed milk in, and this part, it depending on how sweet you like your juice. Okay. Ooh, that smells so good. And we're gonna add the nutmeg in as well. And we are now going to blend. So guys, I'm gonna add some more milk in. Ooh, that smells so good. I wish you could smell this. That smells so good. And now we are going to blend again. And now we are going to taste. That's still a bit bitter. You can taste the Guinness really strong in it. But it's delicious. So now we are gonna add some more milk in there. And now we are gonna blend again. And guys, make sure you don't give children this because Guinness have alcohol in there, and you do not give children alcohol. So make sure this pumpkin punch is not for kids, it's for adults. So guys, whoops. Wow, that smells so good. I wish you could smell this. So that's literally it, guys. That's all done. And I'm going to, so as I said, the sweetening bit is to your likings. So that is basically it. That is quick and easy, and it is rich and it tastes delicious. So I'm gonna pour my, let me put this there. I'm gonna pour my pumpkin punch into my glass like so. And now I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look. So guys, just throw your pumpkin punch in like so. Whoa, look at that. That looks so delicious, and the color is so rich and vibrant. Wow, look at that. That looks delish. You know what I mean? Let's see this. So that's your pumpkin punch there, all done and ready to be drink. Yeah. So guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Love you for watching. I'm pouring out my, look at the rain coming down. Pour out your pumpkin juice like so. And that's the pumpkin juice. And as you can see, the rain is coming down, you know, England. The weather will just change fire like that, you know. Yeah, man. Thank you for watching. Love you for watching. As you can see, rain are coming down. I'm here for bucket from out the door.